The Paldi Report Manager inherits dashboard filters and allows job owners to customize them when sending reports. To edit the report filters, simply adjust each filter as needed for the report. You can modify date filters, change values in discrete filters, or overwrite a filter by copying and pasting multiple values into the filter field. Note that if dashboard filters are updated, these changes will apply to any new reporting jobs, while existing jobs will retain their original filters.